Let's talk hurricane preparedness because here in Houston, it's not a matter of if, but when. Hi, I'm Marco with Hurricane, and hurricane season officially starts June 1st and it runs through November 30th. And forecasters are predicting a very busy 2025. That's why we're here to help your family in your home get ready before the next big storm hits. First of all, check your home insurance coverage. Many standard policies don't cover flooding, and in Houston, that's a huge risk. Visit our blog for an interview with licensed agent Alberto Tudela, who breaks down what to look for in your policy. Step 2. Know your evacuation zone. The city of Houston has designated storm surge zones and routes that can help you and your family move inland safely. Head to HoustonEmergency.org to check your address and plan where you'll go if evacuation is necessary. Next, build your hurricane emergency kit. You'll want at least 3 days worth of water, non-perishable food, medications, flashlights, extra batteries, and first aid. Don't forget the pets, cash, chargers, and copies of your insurance documents. Trust me, after helping families recover from storms like Hurricane Beryl, being prepared makes all the difference. When a hurricane is approaching, here's what to do. Stock up early, water and non-perishable food. Fuel your car. Photograph your home for insurance purposes. Bring in outdoor items. You might want to get a generator. Remember to never use it indoors. Board up your windows. Charge your phone. Set your fridge to the coldest setting. Okay, so for more details, have a look in the link below at the complete disaster preparedness checklist. During the storm, stay safe. Keep pets inside. Avoid windows. Never use a generator indoors. And if water starts rising, shut off the electricity. Your emergency kit should be within reach, just in case. And after the storm, don't do it alone. If you have water or structural damage, give us a call at Hurricane. Our team is ready 24/7 to help with cleanup, drying, and mold prevention. We're here for our community, before, during, and after the storm. Stay safe, Houston, and let's be hurricane ready.